In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a link in Outlook. If you've ever pasted a long, messy URL into an email and wished it looked cleaner and more professional, this is exactly what you need. Renaming a link changes only the text people see, not the destination, so your message looks polished and easier to read. Start by opening Outlook. Give it a moment to load your inbox, then open the email where you want to make the change. This can be a new draft you're composing or an existing message you're editing. Once your email is open, locate the hyperlink you want to update. It might look like a full web address or some existing link text. Next, highlight the link. Click at the start of the link text and drag your cursor over it until the entire link is selected. Take a second to make sure you've captured all of the link text. If you miss a character at the beginning or end, the edit might not apply to the whole link. You should see the text appear selected on screen. With the link highlighted, look for the link icon on the toolbar. It typically looks like a small chain link. Click that, or, if it's easier, right-click the selected text and choose Edit Link from the menu that appears. This opens the link editor, where you can change how the link appears without altering where it goes. In the editor, find the field labeled Display As or Text to Display. This is the text your recipients will see in the email. Replace what's there with clear, descriptive wording, like the title of the page or a concise phrase that tells the reader what they'll get when they click. Keep it short but meaningful, something that improves readability and builds trust. Double-check that the web address or underlying link target still looks correct in its own field. You're not changing that here, just the visible text. When you're happy with the new display text, click OK to apply the change. Back in your email, you should now see your neatly renamed link in place. If it didn't change, make sure you had the entire link highlighted before editing, then try again. A quick scan of your email at this point helps ensure everything looks consistent and professional. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.